Morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss about the question paper. Question number 91. Which of the following cell organelle is non-membrane bound and found in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes? Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Right, what is the question? Which of the following, I repeat the question, which of the following cell organelles is non-membrane bound and found in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes? What is the answer? The given cell organelles, what are the given options? Option 1 is lysosomes, option 2 ribosomes, option 3 centrioles, option 4 mitochondria. What is the answer for this question?
Sir, can I repeat the question?
Which of the following cell organelle is non-membrane bound and found in both prokaryotes and
Ribosome,
eukaryotes?
sir.
Very good, very good. Ribosomes. Second option. Ribosomes. Next, the smallest cell of 0.3 micrometer in length is?
Mycoplasma.
Very good. Mycoplasma. Next, the subunits of ribosomes or prokaryotic cells are? Option 1 is 60S and 40S. Option 2 is 20S and the 90S. Option 3 is 50S and 30S. Option 4 is 30S and 60S. What is the answer? I repeat the question. The subunits of ribosomes of a prokaryotic cell. Which option is correct? Very good. The third option 3 is the correct answer. 50 years and 30 years. Next, the animal cell is different from plant cell in having? The animal cell. Animal cell is different from a plant cell in having? Option 1 is ribosomes. Option 2 is nucleus. Option 3 is Golgi apparatus. Option 4 is centrosomes.
Sir, option 4, centrosome.
Very good. Centrosomes. Centrosomes cell organelles present in animal cells. Next, the main chemical component of fungal cell wall is? The main chemical component of a fungal cell wall is? What is the answer? Option 1 is peptidoglycan. Option 2 is chitin. Option 3 is
Option 2, chitin, sir.
Very good. Option 2 chitin. Next, which of the following statement is incorrect? Which of the following statement is incorrect? Option 1 is middle lamella is chiefly made up of calcium pectate. Option 2 is plasmodesmata or cytoplasmic bridges that connect the neighboring cells. That connect the neighboring cells. Third option is secondary wall is formed. Secondary wall is formed on the outer side of the cell. Outer side of the cell. Option 4 is none of these. What is the answer? Which of the following statement is incorrect? The given first option is middle lamella is chiefly made up of calcium pectate. So the middle lamella is made of chemical combination. What is the chemical combination?
Calcium pectate, sir.
Calcium pectate, right? It's correct statement. We have to find incorrect statement. The given second option is plasmodesmata or the cytoplasmic bridges that connect the neighboring cells. Is it correct or not? Correct statement or not? The second one. Plasmodesmatas are the cytoplasmic bridges. Third option, secondary wall is formed on the outer side of the cell. What is the answer?
Third one is wrong, sir.
Is that's formed towards
Inner side of the cell, sir.
inner side. Inner side. Next, which of the following cell organelle is not considered as a part of an endomembrane system? Which of the following cell organelle is not considered as part of an endomembrane system? Option 1 is mitochondria. Option 3 is endoplasmic reticulum. Option 3 is Golgi complex. Option 4 is lysosomes. I repeat the question. Which of the following cell organelles is not considered as a part of endomembrane system?
Option 1, sir, mitochondria.
Very good.
Option on mitochondria.
Mitochondria. Next. The surface of RER has the surface of RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. What are the given options? The option 1 is lysosomes. Option 2 is ribosomes. Option 3 is Golgi complex. GC. Option 4 is plastics. P. Plastics.
Option 2,
Option 2,
ribosomes.
sir, ribosomes.
Option 2 is the correct answer. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has the ribosomes. So ribosomes are present on surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Right. Next, which of the following cell organelle is responsible for the synthesis of steroids and lipids?
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
The smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Option 1 is SCR, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Option 2 is RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Option 3 is mitochondrial. Option 4 is ribosomes.
Option 1 is CR, sir.
Option 1, right. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next, a number of proteins synthesized by ribosomes present on the endoplasmic reticulum are transferred to proteins are synthesized, transferred to the proteins are synthesized. So on this surface of endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are attached. The ribosomes are involved in protein synthesis. The synthesized proteins are transferred from endoplasmic reticulum to is transferred to the
Golgi complex.
body. Right, what is the answer? A number of
Golgi
proteins
bodies.
present on the endoplasmic reticulum are transferred to the Golgi apparatus. Option 1 is vacuoles, option 2 lysosomes, option 3 plastids, option 4 is Golgi apparatus. Yes, the fourth option is a correct answer.
Golgi
Next,
apparatus.
yes, Golgi apparatus. Next, the type of ribosomes found inside the mitochondria is inside the mitochondria. As which type of ribosomes are present inside the mitochondria? The mitochondrial cell organelle.
70S.
Yes, in mitochondrial cell organelle, the 70S type of ribosomes are. And in another cell organelle, which is having the 70S type of ribosomes in eukaryotes.
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast. Very good. Very good. Next, the function of polysome in bacterial cell is the function of polysome. What is polysome?
Sir, ribosomes present on mRNA molecule.
Yes, the ribosomes are present on mRNA strand. So several ribosomes are attached on the single-stranded mRNA to form polyribosome or polysome. What is the function of polyribosome? That's involved in synthesis of translate mRNA into proteins. The synthesis of proteins. Polyribosome involved in the synthesis of proteins. What are the given options? Option 1 is translate the mRNA into proteins. Option 2 store reserve food materials. Option 3 synthesize pigments. Option 4 help in buoyancy. Which option is correct answer? Translate the first option, translate the mRNA into proteins. What is the answer? The function of polysome in bacterial cell involved in translate mRNA into proteins.
Option 1, sir.
Yes, yes. Next, identify the structures marked as A, B, C, and D with respect to fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. Here A. B. C. Next D. Now here A is represent indicates that influent mosaic mode.
Sugar.
Is very good. Sugar. B.
Protein.
Protein. Very good. C.
Internal protein.
Internal protein.
Yes. Very good. D.
Lipid.
Lipid.
Phospholipid.
Phospholipid.
Phospholipid molecules. What is the answer? Sugar, protein, integral protein. Lipid layer. Two layers of lipid molecules. So this is one layer and the second layer of lipid molecules. Right. Next, the plasma membrane is a plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is plasma membrane PM is option 1 semi-permeable. Semi-permeable. Option 2 is permeable. Option 3 is 1 and 2. Option 4 is none of these. What is the answer? Assign the answer in chat box. Plasma membrane is.
Sir, what is second option?
Plasma membrane, semi-permeable or permeable?
Sir, option 1 semi-permeable, sir.
Very good. Option 1 is the correct answer. Semi-permeable. Right. Allows only selective particles, required particles. Next. Select the correct combination of the statements regarding the characteristics of middle lamella. Select the correct combination of the statements regarding the characteristics of middle lamella. The A is it holds the different neighboring cells together. It holds the different neighboring cells together. It is composed of calcium pectate. It is composed of calcium pectate. C. It is formed towards inner side of secondary wall. It is formed towards inner side of secondary wall. The first option is A and C. The second option is B and C. The given third option is A and B. The fourth option is A, B and C. Select the correct combinations of statements regarding the characteristics of middle lamella. What about this statement? Is it correct or not regarding the middle lamella? It holds the different
Correct, sir.
neighboring cells together. Is it correct or not? Message me answer. It holds the different neighboring cells together. Is it correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Correct, right. Next, the B. It is composed of. It is composed of calcium pectate. So, what is it? That's correct or not? The chemical
Correct,
compound
sir.
calcium pectate. Right. What about the C? It is found towards the inner side of the secondary wall. It is formed towards that's outer side of the primary wall. So in mid, the cell wall is consists of middle lamella, primary wall, and secondary. Here, as the given statement C, it is formed towards inner side of secondary wall. Not inner side. So it is the incorrect. What are the correct combinations? A and B. In these given options, first option is A and C, second B and C, third option A and B. The third option is the correct option. Next, common cell wall materials found in plant cells are. What are the given options? Option 1 is cellulose. Option 2 is hemicellulose. Option 3 is pectin. Option 4 is all the above. What is the answer?
Sir, option for all the above.
Very good. Option 4 is the correct answer.
Sir,
Common cell wall
hemicellulose is not common material in algae, no, sir.
Hemicellulose is
They asked about the common, no sir. Common plant, no sir. Then cellulose is common, no sir.
cellulose, hemicellulose is also common.
Yes, sir.
Algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Right. In all these, middle lamella, primary one. Hemicellulose, hemicellulose pectins are present in the cell wall of all the groups of plants. Is it clear now?
Sir, but in common plants, cellulose is common, no sir, in all plants.
Cellulose, hemicellulose is also.
Sir,
How all of
hemicellulose
the
is
above,
common
sir?
in algae.
Sir, then
Outermost layer inside. Outermost layer. Outermost layer in cell wall.
Middle lamella.
Middle lamella. What is the chemical combination? So in algae cell wall is consists of outermost layer primary one. Right. Middle lamella is outermost layer of the cell wall, made of calcium and pectate. Calcium pectate. So what is the given third option? Pectin. Pectin is present in middle lamella. Middle lamella is present in cell wall of algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and cell wall of the angiosperms group of plants. Next to cellulose. Cellulose primary wall. The primary wall is consist of the cellulose and hemicellulose in algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Right. Secondary wall composition is varies. In the secondary wall composition is varies. Lignin, suberin, that's varies depending upon types of issues. So middle lamella, primary wall is present in cell wall of all the group of plants. Middle lamella, pectin, calcium and pectin. Pectin is given in third option. Next, cellulose. Cellulose or hemicellulose is present in the primary wall of in algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and the sub-tissues of angiosperms. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Cellulose,
sir.
cellulose is also
Clear, sir.
right. Next. Which of the following are inclusion bodies found in prokaryotes? Option 1 is phosphate granules. Option 1 is phosphate granules. Option 2 is cyanophysin granules. Option 3 is glycogen granules. Option 4 is all of them. What is the answer?
All of the above.
Which of the following are an inclusion bodies found in prokaryotes? So all of them. Phosphate granules, glycogen, cyanophysin granules, and glycogen granules. Next. Next question. Which one of the following organelles in the figure correctly matches with its function? What are the given options? Option 1 is Golgi apparatus protein synthesis. Option 2 is Golgi apparatus formation of glycolipids. Option 3 is rough endoplasmic reticulum protein synthesis. Option 4 rough endoplasmic reticulum formation of glycoproteins. Which option is correct answer?
Option 3, sir.
Very good. Option 3.
Option 3.
Rough endoplasmic
Option 3, sir.
reticulums are present involved in very good protein synthesis. Third option is correct answer. Next, a major site of synthesis of lipids is
SCR.
very good. Yes,
Yeah.
smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next, select the correct statement from the following regarding cell membrane. Lipids are arranged in bilayer with polar heads towards the inner part. Polar head towards the inner part or outer surface?
Outer,
sir.
sir.
Outer surface. So that is the incorrect statement. Next, the second one. Fluid mosaic model of cell membrane was proposed by Singer and Nicholson. Is it correct or not? Regarding the cell membrane?
Correct.
Yes, that's correct. Second option. Third option, the given third option is Na plus and K plus ions move across cell membrane by passive transport. Or they move by
Active
or active transportation. Very good.
Active transport.
Yes, but here given passive transportation. Hence, it is the incorrect statement. Next, the fourth option, proteins make up of 60 to 70% of the cell membrane. What about is it correct or not? Proteins
No,
make
sir.
up 60 to 70% of the cell membrane. Is
No,
that?
sir.
Yes, not correct, incorrect one. So second option is the correct statement. Next, the main arena of various types of activities of cell is the main arena of various types of
Cytoplasm, sir.
activities of cell is very good. Cytoplasm. What is another name of cytoplasm? Cytoplasm or cytosol. Cytoplasm or cytosol. So the main arena of various types of activities of cell is cytoplasm. Next, The plasma membrane consists mainly the plasma membrane. What are the given options? Proteins embedded in a carbohydrate bilayer. Proteins embedded in a carbohydrate bilayer. The second option is phospholipids embedded in a protein bilayer. Phospholipids embedded in a protein bilayer. Third option, proteins embedded in a phospholipid bilayer. Phospholipid bilayer. The option 4 is proteins embedded in a polymer of glucose molecules. What is the answer? What is the question? The plasma membrane consists of mainly proteins in a plasma membrane.
Option 3.
Very good. Option 3.
Option 3, sir.
Proteins are embedded in a phospholipid bilayer. Two layers of phospholipid molecules. Right. Next. Plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata. Locomotory structures, the first option. Second option, membrane is connecting the nucleus with the plasma lemma. Third option, connections between adjacent cells. Fourth option, lignified cemented layers between the cells. What is the answer? Option 1 is locomotory structure is connection between adjacent cells. Third option.
Third option, sir.
Very good. Next, middle lamella is composed mainly
Calcium pectate.
calcium peptide. Next, polysome is formed by option 1 is ribosomes attached to each other in a linear arrangement. Option 2, several ribosomes attached to single mRNA. Option 3,
Option two,
ribosomes attached to strand of endoplasmic reticulum. Option 4, a ribosome with several subunits.
Option 2, sir.
Very good. Option 2, several ribosomes are attached to single mRNA strand. Next, which of the following are components of cell membrane? Option 1 is phospholipids. Option 2, cholesterol. Option 3, glycolipids. Option 4, all of them.
All of the above, sir.
All of the above.
Very good. Fourth option is correct. Next, the term glycocalyx is used for. Option 1 is a layer surrounding cell wall of bacteria. Option 2, a layer present cell wall and membrane of bacteria. Option 3, cell wall of bacteria. Option 4, bacterial cell genetically engineered to possess N-glycosylated proteins.
So option 1, sir.
Very good. Option 1, the layer surrounding the cell wall of bacteria is called as glycocalyx. Next, algae have cell wall made up of. Option 1 is cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectins. Cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectins. Cellulose, galactans, and mannans. Option 3, hemicellulose, pectins, and proteins. Hemicellulose, pectins, and proteins. Option 4, pectins, cellulose and proteins. What is the answer for this question? Please visually answer the chat box. Algae have cell wall made up of. Option 1 is cellulose, hemicellulose and pectins. Option 2, cellulose, galactans and mannans. Option 3, hemicellulose, pectins.
Option 2, sir.
Very good. Option 2. Next, select the alternative giving correct identification and function of the organelle A in the diagram. Here this diagram in cell eukaryotic cell organelle. What is this cell organelle?
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria, right? Here in the given options, option 1 is endoplasmic reticulum, the synthesis of lipids. The second option, mitochondria produce cellular energy in the form of ATP. The given third option is Golgi body provide packaging material. Option 4 is lysosomes secrete hydrolytic enzymes. What is the answer?
Mitochondria.
Cellular energy in the form of
ATP.
Right. So option 2 is the correct answer. Next, the motile bacteria are able to move by. Option 1 is Fimbriae. Option 2 is Flagella. Option 3 is Cilia. Option 4 is Pili. What is the answer?
Option 2, flagella.
Very good. Option 2, Flagella. Next, the cell wall of fungi is made up of substances. Option 1 is starch. Option 2 is chitin. Option 3 is cellulose. Option 4 is pectin.
18, sir.
Very good, chitin. Next, in some bacteria, the outermost layer is a loose sheet layer called as. Option 1 is slime layer. Option 2 is capsule. Option 3 is membrane. Option 4 is glycocalyx.
Slime layer, sir.
Slime layer. First option is the correct answer. Slime layer. Only primary cell wall is present in the cells of. Option 1 is transverse cells. Option 2 is xylem fibers. Option 3 is meristematic cells. Option 4 is sclerites. Then what is the answer? Please.
Meristematic cell, sir.
Yes. The only primary cell wall is present in cells of. Transverse cells means the transferring the tissues. Xylem and phloem tissues. Mature cells. In mature cells, the secondary wall is absent. Xylem fibers, mature tissue. Primary, in mature tissues, primary wall and secondary walls are also present. In transverse cells, xylem fibers, sclerites, the permanent tissues, the cell wall is consist of primary cell wall as well as the secondary wall. Whereas the immature cells, meristematic cells are the immature cells. In meristematic cells, the cell wall is consist of middle lamella and primary cell wall only, not a secondary wall. Right? What is the answer?
Meristematic cell.
Yes, third option is correct answer. Meristematic cells. Next question. In higher plants, cell wall is made up of which substance? In higher plants, the cell wall is made up of which substance? Option 1 is cellulose. Option 2 is peptidoglycan. Option 3 is lipoprotein. Option 4 is callose. What is the answer? Message me answer in the chat box. I repeat the question. In higher plants, the cell wall is made up of which substance? What is the answer? Option 1 is cellulose. Option 2 is peptidoglycan. Option 3 is lipoprotein. Option 4 is callose. cellulose. Next, which organelle is observed in animal cell but absent in plant cells? What are the given options? Option 1 is centriole, option B is mitochondria, option 3 is endoplasmic reticulum, option 4 is Golgi apparatus.
Sir, option 1, sir. Centriole.
Very good. Who proposed fluid mosaic model?
Singer.
Singer and Nicholson.
Singer and Nicholson.
Nicholson. Next, each ribosome are made up of how many subunits? Option 1 is 2 subunits. Very good. Option 1, 2 subunits are there in each ribosome. Next, which of the following structure is present only in prokaryotic cell? Option 1 is plasmid, option 2 is nucleus, option 3 mitochondria, option 4 is ribosomes.
Option 1, plasmid, sir.
Very good. Option 1 is answer plasmid. Next, which type of vacuoles provide virus into bacteria?
Gas
Gas
vacuum.
vacuoles.
Very good. Gas vacuoles. Third option. Next, which of the following are structure of prokaryotic flagella? Option 1 is filament, option 2 is hook, option 3 is basal body, option 4 is all of these. What is
Option
that?
for all of these, sir.
Very good. Option 4, all of them. Neighboring cells are adjoined by. Option 1 is middle lamella. Option
Option
2
1,
is
sir.
very good. Option 1 is
Option
the
1.
yes. Next, secondary cell wall is present between. Option 1 is primary cell wall and middle lamella. Option B is plasma membrane and primary cell wall. Option 3 is meristematic cells. Option 4, tertiary wall and plasma. Secondary wall is between.
Sir, option 2, sir.
Meristematic tissue.
Secondary cell wall is present in between the plasma membrane and the primary cell wall. Plasma membrane. So this plasma membrane, middle lamella, primary wall. Next, the secondary wall. The secondary wall is present in between. It's a primary wall, secondary wall, plasma membrane. The secondary wall is present between plasma membrane and the primary cell wall. Second option is the correct answer. Next, outermost living limit of plant cell is. Outermost living limit of plant cell is. What are the given options? Option 1 is cell wall, option 2 is plasma membrane, option 3 is cytoplasm, option 4 is chloroplast.
Plasma membrane.
Plasma membrane. Very good. Second option is correct. Next, cell membrane is chemically composed by option 1 lipids, option 2 carbohydrates, option 3 proteins, option 4 all them.
Option for all of them.
Very good. Option 4 all of them. Right. Next, which structures perform the function of mitochondria in bacteria? Option 1 nuclei, option 2 ribosomes, option 3 cell wall, option 4 mesosomes.
Option 4.
Option for mesosomes, sir.
Very good. Option 4 is the correct answer. Mesosomes. Right. Do you have any doubts regarding this question?
No doubt, sir.
Sir, what are glycolipids, sir?
Glycolipids. The glycolipids are synthesized by the which cell organelle? Already all learned about the cell organelles, different cell organelles.
Golgi
Golgi
complex.
complex.
The Golgi complex. The Golgi complex apparatus involved in synthesis of glycoproteins and glycolipid molecules. They are involved in formation of the membranes cell membranes, glycolipids are involved in the formation of membranes.
Yes.
Lipid molecules with sugars. Glycolipid.
Sir, the phospholipid is mainly composed of glycolipid.
Oh, yes, sir.
Sir, what is peptidoglucan, sir?
Peptidoglycan, that is the wall composition of bacteria.
Okay. Sir.
Right. Is it
But
clear?
cell wall composition, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Cell wall composition.
Okay.
Right. Okay, last week we have discussed about it. Chloroplast, cell organelle. How many types of plastids are there in plants?
Three types, sir. Three types.
Right. What are they?
Chromoplast, leucoplast, chloroplast.
And chloroplast. What is the function of chloroplast?
Storage of food.
Storage of food material.
Storage of food materials.
Chloroplast. The chloroplast is involved in synthesis of chromoplast function. Chromoplast.
Hot color.
It gives color to the plants.
Very good. How many membranes are there in chloroplast?
Two types, carotene and xanthophyll.
Two membranes are present. Right. The space present in between the two membranes of plastid is called. Plastid is one of the chloroplast. The space present in between the two membranes.
Periplastic space.
Outer membrane, very good. Outer membrane, inner membrane. So the space present in between the two membranes is known as a periplastidial space. Right. In chloroplast organelles, the grana and the stroma, how many types of thylakoids are there?
Two types.
Two types. Right. What are they?
Grana thylakoids.
Granum thylakoids.
Stroma thylakoid.
Stroma thylakoids. Thylakoids are arranged one above the other like a pile of coins called as
Grana.
grana. Grana thylakoids. The thylakoids are present in between the grana thylakoid, in between grana, known as stroma.
Lamellar thylakoid.
Right. Thylakoids in stroma region of the chloroplast organelle, two types of thylakoids are there. One is grana thylakoids and second one is the stroma lamellae or stroma thylakoids. So two types of thylakoids are there. These thylakoids are consist of each thylakoid is having two membranes. Each thylakoid is having how many membranes? Two membranes. Right. Photosynthetic pigments are present in the thylakoids. Photosynthetic pigments like as chlorophyll, chlorophylls, carotenoids, chlorophylls, carotenoids pigments are present in between outer and the inner membrane of thylakoid. Each thylakoid is having how many membranes? Two membranes. Right. So this is the outer membrane of thylakoid and inner membrane of thylakoid. So in between these two membranes, The photosynthetic pigments are present in between outer and the inner membrane of the thyroid. What is the function of chlorophyll pigments? The chlorophyll pigments are
Involved in photosynthesis.
trap the light energy, is involved in the photosynthesis process. Like here, the light energy is received by the chlorophyll pigments. Okay, so the chlorophyll pigments are involved in the synthesis of a food materials. So in stroma region of the chloroplast, the photosynthetic enzymes. The photosynthesis is consists of mainly two steps. What are they? One is light reaction and second one is the dark reaction. How many steps are there in the photosynthesis process? Mainly
Two
right. What are they? They are these
light reaction and dark reaction.
and the second one is the dark reaction. Right. Light reaction. The light reaction takes place in membranes. Dialypoid.
In a granodic chloroplast.
Yes, dialypoid membranes. Right. Whereas in the dark reaction takes place in the
Stroma of the chloroplast.
dark reaction. This takes place in the stroma region of a chloroplast. Dark reaction takes place in stroma region of the chloroplast. So photosynthetic enzymes are present in the stroma region of chloroplast. Photosynthetic enzymes, the enzymes which are involved in photosynthesis process known as photosynthetic enzymes. The photosynthetic enzymes are located in the stroma region of the chloroplast. Stroma region of a chloroplast. Photosynthetic enzymes. Photosynthetic enzymes and the protein synthetic enzymes. Along with the photosynthetic enzymes, in stroma region of the chloroplast, RNA molecules DNA, double-stranded DNA molecules, ribosomes, 70S type of ribosomes, 70S type of ribosomes, DNA molecules, photosynthetic enzymes, protein synthetic enzymes,
Sir, can you explain once again that light reaction and dark reaction, sir?
Yes, light reaction in the photosynthesis process. The photosynthesis process consists of mainly two steps. One is light reaction and second one is the dark reaction. Light reaction, where it takes place, this is the first step of photosynthesis. In the photosynthesis process, mainly how many steps are there? Two steps. One is light reaction and second one is the dark reaction. The first step is light reaction. In light reaction process, that light energy is received by the chlorophyll pigments, which are present in a dialypoid membranes. So chlorophyll pigments are involved in light reaction of a photosynthesis process. Next, it is for that's followed by dark reaction. The dark reaction, where it takes place, the dark reaction takes place in a stroma region of a chloroplast. Stroma region, not in a dialypoid membranes. The dark reaction of photosynthesis process takes place in the stroma region of the chloroplast. Is it clear now? So in detail, there is light reaction, dark reaction, where it takes place, what are the end products of the light reaction, and end products of dark reaction. That in detail concept we will discuss in the plant physiology photosynthesis chapter.
Okay.
Is it clear? So what are present in the stroma region of the chloroplast? Which of the following components are present in the stroma region of the chloroplast? Option 1 is photosynthetic and protein synthetic enzymes. Option 2 is RNA molecules. Option 2 is RNA and DNA molecules. Option 3 is 78 type of ribosomes. Option 4 is all of them.
Option for all of the above, sir.
Option for all of the above.
All of them. Photosynthetic enzymes, protein synthetic enzymes, right? 78 type of ribosomes, RNA molecules, DNA molecules present inside the stroma region of a chloroplast. Right. Due to the presence of the DNA molecule, one chloroplast cell organelle is divided to give rise to two chloroplast organelles. One chloroplast cell organelle is divided to give rise to two chloroplasts due to presence of the own DNA molecule. Yes, the DNA molecule, the own DNA molecules are present in option 1 is mitochondria, option 2 is chloroplast, option 3 is lysosomes,
Option 4,
three.
both 1 and 2.
1 and 2. Very good.
Option for both one. and
Option for 1 and 2, sir.
Very good. Option 4, both 1 and 2.
Sir, ODN. Sir.
Yes, own DNA molecule. Own DNA molecule is present in the we have discussed about the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, right? Lysosomes, vacuoles, mitochondria, chloroplast. Among these 6 cell organelles, mitochondria and chloroplast cell organelles
Their own DNA molecule.
one DNA. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the function of chloroplast? The chloroplast cell organelle is involved in the synthesis of food materials. Synthesis of food. What is the function of mitochondria? Mitochondrial cell organelle is involved in
Production of ATP.
Cellular respiration.
Production of energy, ATP.
Production of
Form
ATP.
respiration process, the production of ATP. Stores the energy in the form of ATP molecule. So mitochondrial cell organelle, powerhouse of the cell. Right. Chloroplast, food factories of the cell. That's involved in the chloroplast cell organelle is involved in the synthesis of food materials. Lysosomes cell organelle is commonly called as
Suicide bag.
Outside back.
suicidal bag.
Suicidal bags.
Do you have any doubts regarding this today's session? So tomorrow, the next class we will discuss about the remaining cell organs.
No doubt, sir.
Regarding this today's session,
No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
okay, right.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.